It is wallpapering time. So I purchased this wallpaper from Etsy, and I'm doing my measurements now. I ordered 3 sheets. It is about, each sheet is like 12 by 17.5 inches. So I'm going to do some measurements. I'm going to get this on my wall here. This is going to be my living room down here. I do have my little toolbox that I purchased on Amazon. I will hit the link in the comment section. And I also have my wallpaper glue that I use in my bathroom up here, and it did an amazing job. So I've been picking up little things here and there. So I have some pink rugs for the bathroom. I purchased these lights because I'm going to try and make like lamps and things like that. I did also buy some doorknobs, and I have a little portrait here that I'm going to put somewhere in this area here. I'm going to get a piano for this section, and I also have a music player that I ordered, an old vintage record player. So that's going to go in that section as well. So yeah, let's get to wallpapering, guys. It's been a while. All right, so I just laid it out. I haven't glued it yet. I did a little trimming around the windowsills here, so that way I can continue on to do all of these. And then we're gonna go to here. And I'm hoping I have enough with the 3 sheets. All right, the first side of the wall is done. I'm just gonna let it dry. I do have a couple air bubbles, but you can't really see them. I tried to smooth it out and get them all out as best as possible. So I had to go and grab my little Panera gift card to do that because that other paper card wasn't working. So we're gonna let this dry, and then we're gonna go ahead and adjust and do the other pieces. Okay, the left side is done now. I had to cut around the front porch and the doorway going into, this is going to be my kitchen. So don't worry about when you get like little, well, I guess I can trim a little bit more here, but I'm gonna be putting a door frame in here. So I'm not too concerned about the edges around, you know, the cuts aren't perfect. So yeah, so I got that and I'm gonna let that dry now. Oh, I got a little bubble here I'm gonna try and smooth out. Now the hardest part is going to be getting into here. So I am going to try my hardest, and let's see how this goes. All right, I am gonna go ahead and put our little doorknobs on the inside of our doors. Now, when you buy these things, you have to be very careful because there are tiny keys in here. Like, they are super, super small and super skinny. So I'm just going to, uh-oh, where'd I have my other one? Oh, they're over here. Okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put these in there. Okay. Move that over. And now I have some E6000 glue that I'm going to put on the back of my, and it's kind of old too, but it still works, so that's why I'm using it still. Like, it's not as soft, so I gotta kind of like squeeze it hard. I gotta go get some more of this stuff. I've had this for years. So let's see if I have enough on here. Squeeze some more out. And you gotta grab this very carefully. All right, We want this knob to be on the same way the other one is. So let's grab it. And let's put it here. Get it to go pretty even with the other knob. It's kind of dark. Can you even see this? Here, let's put some light over here. I'm all late, I'm sorry. I'm late. All right, so that's that. Now, I'm gonna put this just up here. I'm gonna grab this other door from the balcony. And I'm gonna do the same thing. I have my little fall decorations. I'll show you guys in a couple seconds. But we're gonna do the same thing with that door. I have the outer knobs. I'm just doing the inner knobs now. I'm gonna take this good stuff. I think you can get this stuff like at Dollar Tree and Dollar General, Family Dollar type of. I don't even know where I got this from. Like I said, I've had it for so many years. I don't even know what I originally bought it for. And here we go. Stick this. Make sure it's straight. I'm going to want to press on it. And there we go. So cute! Okay. Now I'll show you everything. Okay, we are done. This is going to be my living room sitting area. I just did the wallpapering, so it is not perfect, but it looks good. I love it. So like I said before, there was a couple air bubbles. I don't feel any over here. We're pretty good. So this area here, the rounded window downstairs, is going to be my little music area. See how crappy this is? I gotta fix that, guys, so don't mind me there. That's like really shitty. Oh, excuse my language. Yes, I have to fix that, but whatever, because I'm probably gonna put curtains there anyway, so I don't even care. So I got this when I ordered from Etsy. She gave me a little gift, so it's like a little rug. Maybe I'll put it like right there. Like, oh, welcome, come inside. And like I said, this is gonna be my music area. So I have my little record player here. I'm gonna put a baby grand piano. I bought this portrait, and it is a mother-daughter possibly with a piano, and it kind of reminds me of me and my daughter. She's a piano player herself. So yeah, that's gonna go on the wall somewhere, either on that side or this side here. Look at my hair. Don't mind my hair, it looks crazy. The shadow anyway. So yeah, that is what we're looking at right now. This is gonna be my kitchen. Haven't done anything. I still have tape over there I have to take off. This is my bathroom. So I did wallpaper the bathroom. Okay, I did every single wall in here, and I started buying some accessories. So I do have little rugs. The rug for the toilet. I have a rug. I'm gonna put like a vanity here, and then there I'm gonna put a nice tub with some other stuff. I don't know yet. But I also bought these little lights because I'm gonna try and make some lights. This is the second floor. It's probably gonna be a bedroom slash sitting room, because down here is gonna be my dining room and living room and music room. And then we have some attic things going on here. Don't know what I'm doing with that yet either. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the front now. Okay, so here's the front, guys. I bought a rocking chair, didn't make that. And I also purchased this cute little newspaper mailbox. I made these, so I made this with like a little plastic table thing that comes in the pizza boxes. These were like from the pull string from a light. So I painted those, put some little greenery in there. I did make my little fall wreath there. And then I made my fall wreath and a little fall tree that goes on the balcony. So those are the front decorations of the house. I haven't really done anything else on the outside of the house, but that's how we're looking right now. So until the next order of wallpaper.